guys, today I'm sharing with you frugal hacks to extend the life of your wardrobe. These are the actual mind-blowing tips that you're going to really use in your everyday life. I hope you guys enjoy. First, my favorite stain removers for my favorite pieces. I love getting brand new clothes, but the life I lead is super messy, I'm not gonna lie. Post-birthday party cake everywhere. But my secret is my Fells Naphtha bars. These are kind of like bars of soap, and I love how inexpensive they are. They're literally under $2 from the grocery store. Stick this in your laundry room, and if you have any stains, rub it right on, throw it into your washing machine like normal, and they come right out. And we have some pretty gnarly stains at our house just from the wear and tear of everyday life, and I want those garments looking brand new again. I sometimes get the garment a little bit wet and then rub over it with the bar. And my super secret, I know there are some moms rejoicing right now, is Goo Gone. If you have any adhesive or stickers that you've accidentally washed onto your favorite clothes, spray this on, wait about 30 seconds, and it will wipe away. It truly is like magic. It's all clean, all clean. And then back to life as usual with those pieces you love the most. My next tip seems basic, but it really makes a difference with keeping your clothes looking nice. That's to get quality garments. Over half of my clothes come from ThredUp. If you haven't heard of ThredUp, it's the largest consignment store online with new and like new clothes up to 90% off. So I can get these really quality pieces that are going to stand the test of time. Here's my brand new Fenright Manson dress from ThredUp. It retails for $95 and I got it for $15. It's beautiful. And here's my other new outfit. This Banana Republic top retails for $75 and I got it for $10. You can see how beautiful this neckline is. This is not gonna fray or pill when I go to clean it. It's an actual quality piece that will last. A really big way to tell quality pieces, like on these Lucky brand shoes, and you can see this on ThredUp's website because you can zoom into the garments. The stitching that's outside of the shoe. These are $75 shoes and I got them for Target prices. Good clothes are clothes that last. You can look your best, feel your best, and not spend a lot. Next is keeping your whites bright. I wear a lot of white, and one way I keep my pieces looking brand new is without white bright. This is 5-star rated on Walmart's website. It's not a bleach and it's not an oxy, but it works just like them. In some ways, I think even better. Soak in warm water for about 20 minutes before you put in the wash with about a half cup in there, and your whites will be looking brand new all the time. I'm on the go a lot and it's genuinely one of my go-tos. And in addition to white, I also wear a lot of black. And one of my favorite secrets to keeping my colors looking vibrant is by buying color grabbers. This is another 5-star product. I don't think a lot of people use these, but they go on sale all the time. I usually pick up a few boxes, and that way I can be lazy and wash my whites and my colors together, and everything is going to stay in tip-top shape. Anything to make laundry easier, I am all about that. A side truth is I also practically live in athletic wear, and here's how I care for it. This is why I buy really quality pieces. All of my workout gear, because I sweat so much, is Lululemon Athletica, and I get all of it from ThredUp. So it's gonna stay looking really nice and new. I also buy them in darker colors. I think that helps, so it's gonna last me a long time. If you do end up with any type of perspiration stains, buy the little bottles of Carbona. They're meant for rust and perspiration. They're only a few dollars each and they work wonders. Just put a little bit in a bowl and soak the garment for about an hour before washing. Make sure you rinse out before throwing in the washing machine. It keeps all my pieces looking brand new. Next, let's talk about wrinkles. Truly one of my favorite tips. I've mentioned this before and I want to share it again. Take 1 cup of water and about a half teaspoon of fabric softener. Mix together, put in a spray bottle, and keep it in your laundry room. If you have a wrinkly garment, spray this on and then run your hand over it and let it dry for about 15 minutes. It doesn't seem like this would take out wrinkles, but it is awesome. It works best on cotton material, no extra work with the ironing board for you. I use this all the time with my church clothes. And if you're anything like me, keep a pair of pantyhose around. You'll see why.
I am kind of clumsy though and totally got deodorant on the inside of this shirt, and it always shows up on black. Keep an old pair of pantyhose around, get a little bit of water on it, rub it right on the deodorant, and it will completely take it off. Water alone doesn't work, as you know. This handy trick, don't forget it.
Let me know in the comments down below which of these tips were new to you, which were your favorites, and which you'd like to try. If you like this video, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna have a link down below to ThredUp's website. There's tons of awesome scores along with a coupon code to save 30% off your first order. And I will catch you guys soon. I love you and I'll see you there. Bye. Give me a big thumbs up, Owen.